Welcome to Have Fun WV. We're all fueled up. It's time to go. Hey fans, welcome to Huntington, West Virginia. And Joel, why are we here?
We were challenged to come here.
That's right.
Hey Jay, I challenge you to go to Rocco's in Huntington and try the Chicken Parmesan or manicotti.
Chicken Parmesan. I've never had it here.
I love chicken parm, but I've never had this place.
Yeah, I haven't had it in a long time actually, so I'm pretty excited.
So you call it Rocco's? Rocco's?
Rocco's.
Rocco's.
Rocco's. Rocco's?
Not Rocco's.
Not Rocco. That's a different restaurant.
Let's Rocco.
Let's rock on. We were challenged to come here and try the Chicken Parmesan. Okay. Is it a real popular dish here? Yeah?
Yeah.
How long have you guys been open here?
22 years.
22 years. Long time.
Oh, yeah.
Long time. Have you been working here for 22 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm the owner, I'm open the door, I'll lock it.
Yeah? Nice.
I love the chicken. It's very crispy, very good.
Yeah.
Top notch for sure on the chicken.
Top with all kinds of yummy cheese.
Noodles are like not the thick noodles. We're definitely eating this when it's super hot, so I'm burning my mouth.
Oh yeah.
As far as garlic parm goes, this is definitely top 2 for me.
Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. That was really good.
I can see why this place has been around a while.
Definitely. See how quiet we are? It means we like it. That's a good sauce. The original Rocco's is located down there in Cerrito. Pretty good.
We scarfed that down pretty fast. It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Even when it's hot.
For me and the challenge of trying the Chicken Parmesan, it's right there. 2 thumbs up.
Oh, absolutely.
4 thumbs up right there. Get on down here to Rocco's number 2, next to Marshall University here on 4th Avenue. Check out Rocco's. Come down here, even if you're here till 4 a.m. They'll be open for you, well, at least on Friday and Saturday nights. So I see why you close on Sundays, because you need some time of rest. Do you work every day, every hour? Wow! So come on down here, enjoy yourself some Chicken Parmesan. It's the yummiest and parmesaniest you'll ever eat. We got a whole lot more to share, so stay tuned. We want to take this time to thank our sponsors. You want to try something else to go with it?
You want something else? Lasagna is pretty good. Lasagna is a homemade.
Lasagna works for me.
Yeah?
Well, it's got Munster cheese and meat sauce.
The Munster cheese is a good cheese. And let's try it. We're going to eat it here, absolutely. This is great. Awesome. Yeah. Joel wanted to try the lasagna, so here we are. We're trying the lasagna now, and it's topped with Munster cheese.
Yeah, I love lasagna, but I've never had Munster cheese on it, and I absolutely love Munster cheese, but I've never had it on or in lasagna that I know of.
Let you know. All right, let's give it a try.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, I like that. I think I actually like this better than the chicken parmesan.
Really?
Yeah, I really do like lasagna. The different layers, the meat, cheese.
Okay, so I can definitely tell it's a lot meatier, but
Oh yeah.
honestly, I kind of like the Parm better. Not that this is bad at all. This is really good.
Oh.
But I love the crunchiness of that chicken. Oh man.
Yeah, but this lasagna is a hit, man. Do you want to save money on your next gas purchase or food purchase? Get yourself the GoMart Rewards card today or download the app and start saving today. Well folks, we hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.
And if there's some place you'd like us to go next, leave a comment down below.
That's right. And if you're looking for the best chicken parmesan, remember to always have fun. See you next time. Hey, there we are.